Hello guys, today was day 3 of the 30-day challenge that I have taken for myself, and today was a very good day because I got one client today. We had a conversation, we finalized our terms of payment and the payment amount. After that, he sent me a NDA on mail. So if you don't know what a NDA is, NDA refers to a non-disclosure agreement which is made between two parties. In this case, it is the brand and me. So NDA ensures that there is no kind of data loss, data theft, or any kind of the data leak or something like that. So after the brand sent me that, I'm supposed to sign it all over. It is a 10-page agreement and I will sign over it and then send it back to the brand. Apart from that, I also mentioned to the brand that I will be also sending a service agreement. If you don't know what a service agreement is, I'll tell you. So service agreement basically is an agreement that I will get prepared with the help of a lawyer or someone like that, that basically ensures if the brand fails to make the payment of what I am doing for him. In that case, I'll be able to take this particular whole scenario to the court and it is legally enforceable. So having a service agreement is usually preferred in a case जहाँ पे amount बड़ा होता है. For usually I used to work for projects like 10, 15 or 20k, but here it was 30k. So I prefer to have an agreement because I cannot afford कि एक महीना मैं काम करूँ and उसके बाद the brand doesn't pays me anything. So if I have a service agreement, in that case what I can do is I can legally enforce that agreement in a case if the brand is not paying me after I have done the work. So with the help of that service agreement, what I can do is I can legally enforce that service agreement and it will help me to get me my money if the brand is not paying me that money. So it is a very important thing, and if you are working with clients and you have a feeling of doubt that the client is not going to give you the money, you can get that service agreement done. So I took a challenge of 1 lakh rupees in 1 month, and right now I have closed this client for 30,000, which means I have 70,000 more to earn in this particular month. So for that, I'll be reaching out to a couple of more clients and trying several other ways in which I can get more clients. So that's about the day. But apart from that, there are a couple of things that I wanted to tell you. If you are a freelancer and if you are very desperate to get clients, there is one advice that I will certainly give to you. If you are a graphic designer, if you are anyone, never underestimate your value and never underestimate the value of the content or the service that you are providing. Never ever undercharge yourself. If you feel like the client is not going to pay you money, or if you think the client has a budget issue, let it be, but never let your services be undervalued, because once you have learned a good skill and you have given that skill to a lot of people, in the initial stage you can charge less, but after you have gained some experience, try how to negotiate. Try to show the client how your work is different from others and how you are adding value to his work, right? So that is how you can expect for a better price from the client. Apart from that, one more thing I forgot to mention earlier in this video, that is, if you want to have a client for a longer duration, just don't work for the money. Try to give that value to that particular client and he will stay with you not for a month, probably more than that. So freelancing clients usually want you to work for them, but they just have trust issues. You need to work upon the problems that the client is facing and you need to genuinely provide them that value that they deserve to have. After that, charging them that particular amount of money would be worth it and they will be happily paying you the fair amount that you deserve to have. So make sure that you provide good value to your clients, because that will leave a good impression and the client would be loyal to you. So in future, if the client gets any other work, he will certainly reach out to you because you have been a very good and a loyal freelancer to him before. So make sure to provide value content to the client and that will help you a lot in the long run. So my plan for the next 30 days is that I'm not going to get more than 5-6 clients, because my schedule is already very hectic. I have a lot of things to do. I'm already working on my job and that leaves me a very little bit of time. So in that particular time, I'll also have to work upon my clients. And apart from that, I also have to record this video. I also have to record a reel for Instagram and then edit it all and post it before the days goes out. So it's getting really hectic, but no worries about that. What I am planning to do is get 4-5 big clients from which I can generate that 1 lakh, and going forward, once I complete that 1 lakh before a month is itself, then I am going to take another challenge in which I will be having a better target amount that would be more than 1 lakh. If you have yet not subscribed my channel, you can do it for sure, because I'm going to post everyday content about this 30-day challenge, and I'm going to update you about what's happening. And if I find a way in which you can also make money, I'll certainly share that with you, because there are a lot of options for students and freelancers as well, but they just don't know how to approach those sources. So in the coming videos, I'll be also telling you how you can make money for yourself. So see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.